Welcome back to the Purposeworks, and I'm Jane Lauterback, and today we're going to share the secret to success. And before we even begin, we'll give you what the answer is, and that is there is no secret to success. You don't have to follow the rituals of the commanders of industry or the engineers of unicorns. It's simply just doing the good, important, hard work. And if success were really easy, then everybody would do it. What we know from years of guiding teams and individuals to reach goals and to feel that sense of emotional value and satisfaction is that hard work has four ingredients. It's purpose, it's having a plan, it's being persistent, and certainly having patience. And purpose is just the foundation of any kind of reason to do the good hard work. It's an important because it gives us a reason for getting up every day and knowing that we're doing something that certainly can be for important and consistent financial gain, and we don't want to dismiss that in any way, but it's the reason why we want to do it and what we're doing to help other people and how we're moving something forward in an important, impactful way. The second thing is all about the notion of, luck comes to those who are prepared. And you really need to be prepared both not only with having what the goal is, but having a plan. It's really interesting. There are two studies that were done. They're very, very similar. Many, many years ago. One was at Yale and the other one was at Harvard. And they studied a group of students. And what they found out was there are many, many students, the majority of students, who didn't really have a goal or had a plan. Then we had about 14% of students that had a goal. And then we had 3% of students that had a goal and a plan. And those students that had a goal only were 2 times more successful 10 years later than those that didn't have anything. Those students that had both a goal and a plan 10 years later were 10 times more successful than those that only had a goal. The other piece of this is the power of the practice of persistence. Really keeping at something, being consistent, being deliberate, really know that you're seeing progress because one, it's something important, and the focus around not getting distracted or not sort of going after something that's sort of the newest, greatest thing. If you keep to something with great strength and with that sense of purpose, that will keep you on your course, but you got to stay persistent. The other piece of this is patience. Really knowing that there is sort of courage in your intention, that there is a reason for doing this. And there's going to be upsets and dips and all kinds of changes along the way, but being patient to know that anything that sort of falls in your way that you can easily, or even with a little bit extra hard work, you can remove that. I think it's why we all love watching the Olympics, not only because sort of the great feats that everyone's doing, but it was years and years of dedication and all kinds of hard work that allowed them to actually get to the Olympics, let alone to win any kind of medal. So in summary, the things that you need to do: design your goal and design a plan, but do it realistically. Outline your plan in a way that you know you're going to be able to achieve it, and stretch it a little bit. And be willing to invest in the time that it takes, that precious time of energy and focus. So even when things go a little bit off, you can stay the course because you can see where you want to go. Where you want to go is something that's going to have impact and meaningfulness and real value. And certainly there are moments when you're going to need to go kind of be within the messy part of it, to kind of explore and give yourself the opportunity to do that. That helps you sort of make sure that you're still within the context of the market and what's really out there. The other thing, and I think this is important, this was shared to me by one of my clients whose mother actually suggested it to her, and that was write everything down. Just document your progress. It's really, really helpful so that you can go back and just see where you come from. I guaranteed if you go back and look where you were 6 months ago and you've been working on something, you're able to see the progress that you're able to achieve. And if you can't, then it tells you that maybe you don't have a goal and maybe you don't have a plan. My favorite thing is really making sure that you reward those small achievements. Those small achievements are actually really huge. That's what gets us to where we want to go. If we don't celebrate them, if we don't celebrate the others that have helped us get there, I don't know, we're kind of missing the boat there too. It's who we work with and how we get somewhere that's equally important as the destination itself. We hope you found this video of value. Please share it with others, and we welcome your feedback. Thank you.